With the start of semester 2, I went down to the construction lab to see if any changes have been made to the course and any of the difficulties of running a construction lab.
Yeah, I always try to tweak the curriculum. I try to do that every semester or maybe even every year. Some changes this year is my grade 11, my construction 20 students. Their first project is always a little small box, and I'm just changing up the box that we're going to do this year. So I'm small little design tweaks to hopefully make a really good looking project and still get them the skills that they need.
Is there any changes you'd like to make to the room?
To the room itself is always a work in progress too. What I'm trying to do now is I've organized my hand tool wall, and now I'm trying to put my portable power tools on that wall as well. So hopefully I can get to some of those this semester, and I guess we'll see how far. I would love to add, there's a tool out there. You guys can Google this. It's called a multi-router. I would love to have a multi-router in the shop. And our CNC, it's actually got all the plumbing to have a vacuum table. But what I need to do is I need to buy a vacuum pump so that the vacuum will actually work on there. So that's another dream as well for the shop.
What are the difficulties of running a construction lab?
Main problems? It's the dust. It's always the dust. The dust is everywhere. Working in the construction lab, difficulties is it's always cleanup. Cleanup's always a struggle every year, training the students to help me to do that properly. Another big problem we get in the shop every year is just making sure we got the material when the students are ready for it. So going and ordering the lumber and picking it up to make sure that it's here on time so that we can start the projects.
This is Chorney for MCTV News reporting.